How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. So, where are you from?
I am from West Bengal. Uh,
Okay,
and
that's nice.
yes,
And you are my third friend who is from West Bengal.
okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay,
Your
great.
country.
Okay, okay. So I want to know when did you started your journey, or you just started?
Actually, I'm started my speaking English journey 45 days ago.
Yeah,
What about your speaking English journey?
I started my journey on October 2023, but I am not consistent. That's why I'm facing some issue.
October 2023,
Yes, October 2023.
in 1 year.
But I am not doing conversation regular. And in Skype application, uh, I joined Skype application on September month.
September month. Okay, and I joined on Skype here 1 month ago, and I made 6 video on this platform.
Okay, and I want to know how many languages you know.
Okay, okay, and already I told you I'm from Bangladesh. My native language is Bangla. I usually I speak in Bangla when I at my home, when I go outside. And English is my second language. Now I'm learning English, and I know Hindi. I understand very well Hindi, but I can't speak. So what
Okay,
about you? How many languages do you know?
I know Hindi, Bengali, uh, Bhojpuri,
Bhojpuri.
English, and a little bit Marathi and Gujarati means little bit, not
Oh,
means very rare.
you know 6 languages.
No, I know
It's-
only if you talk about how many languages I know only Hindi, Bhojpuri, Bengali, and English. Four languages I know.
it's enough, but uh, English is tough. Is very tough for me to learn, and you know 4 languages. So how did you learn this language?
Because I speak English, because I speak Hindi and Bhojpuri is Bhojpuri. I am from Bihar, but I live in West Bengal, so I know Bhojpuri, and I live in West Bengal, so I know Bengali and English. I am learning. That's why.
And you know one thing. In India, there are many languages available. If I talk about my country, to be honest, in Bangladesh, there are only one language is Bangla. Besides, English is our second language. That's why
Yeah.
there is no chance to learn a third language.
Okay. Okay. I don't know what you are from Bangladesh, but I know. Right now I know.
So, can I know about your education qualification? Have you finished your study, or you are still studying?
I have completed my graduation on BCA.
Is
Uh, and if I talk about my hobbies are listening to devotional song, poetry, drawing, and whenever I feel to write, I write some lines.